A circle having a radius of 5 units is cutting off an x-intercept of 4 units and a y-intercept of 6 units. Find the equation of the circle. Let us begin. So here what we'll do, we'll first consider the general form of a circle. So here our task will be to compute the value of the constants g, f and c. Okay, so it's given here that the radius of the circle is 5 units, and we know that if we are given the general equation of a circle, then the radius r is defined by, we take the square root, underneath the square root we have negative g squared plus negative f squared minus c, and this is going to be the radius of the circle. So this is given as 5 units, which means that we can rewrite this as g squared plus f squared minus c equals to 25. All we've done is squared both sides to get rid of the square root. This is going to be the second equation. It's given here that the circle is cutting off an x-intercept of 4 units, which means that the length of the x-intercept, which is given by 2 times the square root of g squared minus c. So it's given here that this value is 4 units, and if we simplify this, we're going to get g squared minus c equals to 4. Let this be equation number 3. Also, it's given here that the y-intercept is 6 units, which means that 2 times the square root of f squared minus c. This is nothing but the length of the y-intercept. So that's going to be equals to 6. So when we square and simplify it, we're going to get f squared minus c equals to 9. So let this be equation number 4. So using 2, 3 and 4, we will find out the value of the constants g, f and c. Okay, let's begin. So here, if in equation number 3, we have obtained the g squared minus c, so that is equals to 4. So we will substitute this value in equation number 2. So in equation number 2, we have g squared minus c plus f squared equals to 25. So g squared minus c, if we replace it with 4, then we have 4 plus f squared. This will be equals to 25. So f squared will be equals to 21, which means that the value of f comes out to be plus or minus square root of 21. Now next what we'll do, we'll replace the value of f squared minus c with 9 back in equation number 2. So equation number 2 will be, we have f squared minus c added to g squared. So this is equals to 25. So here we can replace the value of f squared minus c with 9. We get 9 plus g squared. This will be equals to 25. So g squared will be equals to 25 minus 9. So 25 minus 9, that is 16. So g squared comes out to be positive 16. When we take the square root, we get g equals to plus or minus 4. Fine. Now we have the value of g. Now we are ready to find out the value of c, because we have already mentioned that the radius is 5 units. So that means according to equation number 2, g squared plus f squared minus c equals 25. We have g squared plus f squared minus c equals to 25. So what we can do, let's do one thing. Let's add equation number 3 with equation number 4. So we're going to get, so this is from equation number 2. And we're going to add equation number 3 with equation number 4. So that's going to give us g squared plus f squared minus 2c. That will be equals to 9 added to 4. So that comes out as 13. Now what we'll do, we'll subtract the two equations. So here we have g squared and g squared cancelling out because we're subtracting. F squared will also get cancelled out. Now negative c minus of negative 2c gives us positive c. So this will be equals to 25 minus 13. So that comes out as 12. So now we have the value of c as well. So we have the value of g, that is plus minus 4. We have the value of f, that's plus minus square root of 21. And we have the value of c, which is 12. So that means we can substitute this value back into equation number 1. So we have x squared plus y squared plus or minus, we have 2gx. So we have 2 times 4. So that gives us 8x plus or minus 2 times square root of 21. So that's going to be the value of f times y plus c equals to 0. So this is going to be the equation of the circle, which has got a radius of 5 units and it has got the x-intercept of 4 units and y-intercept of 6 units.